Here I have ALCATEL 1S 2021, and today I'm going to show you how to update apps on this device. So to do this, firstly you have to open Play Store and tap here, go to the My Manage Apps and Device, all apps up to date, and here you can see all of the updates available. Unfortunately, I don't have any apps that could be updated, but here you can enter this section, and here you will see all of the apps that you can't update right now. If you don't have any, then your all your device is up to date. So that's how it is. Here you can update your apps in this section. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.